we move our beets around so that they evenly cover. You can see they're already adding some color to our squash and our sweet potatoes. We'll take our rosemary and drizzle that over the top. And we're going to put this in the oven, and we're going to check it at 20 minutes to see if it's ready, but it should take about 40 minutes. All right, while we're waiting for that, we're going to start in on our chicken. So we're going to turn our back burner up to about 8. And we're going to measure out 2 cups of water. Bring this back to our burner. And we'll take our vegetable base and we'll scoop out a tablespoon. This is very sticky, so we're going to slowly spin and then knock until it comes off, and once it does, then we're going to smash it up against the side to help it break up.